Today we're going to be talking about our Kolay Dura-Wear decorative wall protection. It's all click.
fire rated. Pretty much you can put it in anywhere. If anything it's going to do is beautify your location and make it a safer place to live.
Okay, let's get started.
We're going to use our P metal. The reason it's P metal is because it's rounded at the edge.
This is a two-sided tape that actually holds on the metal and will help adhere and hold on our Dura-Wear. We're going to start working on our starters. So what we're doing is doing a little overlap, 6 to 8 inches, okay, to make sure we don't have anything less than 6 as far as what we're starting with. Also, when you lay them out, you want them all going the same direction, okay? I'm gonna take this little piece here, use it for a gauge or a guide, go up the wall, mark my spot. Right here, we're using some urethane glue. We're gonna run a bead, a 1/4 inch or so down along the seam. So when we slide this in, it hits the tape and locks in with the silicone. Push it in and you'll feel it and hear it lock in. Mainly tapping on the ends. Locks it together and flushes our systems out, okay? Score it from the back so you don't, if you overcut it, like I did with the saw a little bit, no problem. So click. We are going to go ahead and plastic off and cover the wall that we put up yesterday.
And this is releasable tape. It doesn't leave any residue. Idea is to don't have to play with the tape all day. We just want to get this other wall up.
We're going to go ahead and start smearing our glue.
So what I'm trying to do here is just get it on the wall. Then I'm going to take off the excess. Try to stop before it starts dripping off your trowel and onto the floor.
So once you get it snapped in, you need to hear it snap. Take the block, tap it in, just helps lock everything together before we move on to the next piece.
We're going to set up our planks full tile in the corner.
We'll run it all the way down. We just do the same thing over and over again, like we did on the other wall.
As we go up the staircase here, we're going to cut these in at an angle.
Okay guys, we're getting ready to put in our Dura-Wear inside corner. There's a built-in pocket right there. That's to allow our silicone to seat to, which to help make our waterproof seal. So when you take the metal, you want to put it up against the drywall first.
I've already cut this to length, cut it at an angle at the top. So we're going to start at the bottom, pushing it in against the drywall. We're going to start with a full piece here, goes into the metal here. So then when we take our next piece, this is going to click into this piece, all right? You see I've already cut that off. We're just taking the piece of scrap off the next piece, putting it in here, and carrying it on.
Every color that we carry, you can get the Dura-Wear in. The only thing holding us back is our creativity here. I hope you learned a little bit more about Kolay's products and how they go as far as an install. If you have any questions, please go to kolayflooring.com.